father, the owner of the house. I wake up earlier. Can't even hear your alarm ringing. When your teachers were teaching. Tell me, where is my man?
Money, Dad, which money, Dad?
$100 I gave you yesterday. Short memory.
You said for school fees. I paid school fees.
Are you here by this time? Where my man is? Man is busy developing other people's lives. Busy knowing, inviting poverty in my house.
Holiday today, Dad. I did not attend school, Dad.
Holiday. Being holiday doesn't mean that you can be sleeping during this time. When your ears are deaf, even hear your alarm. Snoring like a piglet.
If I'm a piglet, I'm also a pig. Piglets are the young ones of a pig.
Foolish, go and take my pipe.
There's the Bible, Dad.
Open Proverbs 6 verse 9.
Child!
Give me the Bible. You are a pastor's son, but you are failing to open the Bible. Jesus! Yeah. Our heading. More warnings. Proverbs chapter 6 from verse 9. How long is the lazy man going to lie in bed? When is he ever going to get up? 10. I will just take a short nap, he says. I will fold my hands and rest a while. 11. But while he sleeps, poverty will attack him like an armed robber. Son, the Bible is not happy about what you are doing. As your father, how can I be happy? When you sleep 20 hours a day. Fool, go and clean my kitchen.
Here is God.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise. You are a mumu man.